Hi everybody, today's top tip video is going to be how you can upcycle a pair of these wellie boots into flower plant pots for your garden. Okay, so there is no need to throw them away. If they're worn or got holes in or they don't fit anymore, you can just give them to a charity shop or upcycle them this way. And it also makes your garden look nice and pretty when you've got extra flower and plants. Okay, so it's really quick and easy. You literally just put some stones in the bottom so that there's drainage. I've already pre-filled mine, so I'm just going to add a few in here extra for the purpose of the video. And then you can add your soil. Okay, now you must remember to pierce holes, as I'm going to show you in a moment, in the bottom of the wellie boot so that rain, water can just easily escape and it doesn't get filled with too much water and kill your plants. Okay, so obviously find something safe in order to pierce them with. Okay, now you can pop in the wellies at the top some plants that you already have and are already in nice blossom, or you can add some seeds and wait for them to grow, and obviously give them a water if you are putting in plants or seeds, etc. Okay, and then sprinkle a bit of soil on the top. For the purpose of the video, to show you how pretty this can look, I've got, yes, my favourite colour is coming up, pink. Some fake pink flowers to go in. As you can see, they're really pretty. I'm just untangling them. And I'm going to pop them in and voila, 2 nice little plant pots. Right, so I'm going to give you a close-up and look at that. So you can have them up high or you can put them down a bit lower, whichever you prefer. There you go. You can see they look lovely and you can just place them wherever you want in your garden. Thank you so much for watching. So don't forget, don't chuck your wellies.